Shares in WPP dropped 15% in early trading after the advertising giant failed to deliver growth in the fourth quarter. Read more. WPP offloads stake in sports marketing agency Two CirclesThe. figuresLike-for-like revenue less passed-through costs fell 1.6% to £10.8 billion for the full year. Profit before tax dropped 21.9% to £982 million. Net debt was slimmed down from £4 billion to £1.5 billion. Dividends per share was unchanged at 60p. Why it's interesting, the figures mark the first set of full-year results since new Chief Executive Mark Read set out a 3-year transformation plan following the acrimonious departure of founder Sir Martin Sorrell.The giant surprised the market in the third quarter when it delivered a return to growth following a challenging few years. However, it was unable to maintain its momentum in the final 3 months of the year, as a downturn in its major markets meant like-for-like revenue was flat. For the full year, revenue slipped 1.6%. Excluding Kantar, WPP sold its majority stake in the market research firm to Kantar in a $4 billion, £3.2 billion, deal. Pre-tax profit plunged almost 22% on the year, which the company said was driven largely by a one-off gain in the first half of 2018 that had not been repeated and a £238 million charge on the revaluation of financial instruments.Boss. Mark Read acknowledged that the business was volatile, and that the final 3 months of the year had been tougher than the previous quarter. However, he hailed a successful first year of the transformation plan, saying the results had come in ahead of guidance. From the perspective of delivering on our plan to return WPP to growth, we had a good first year, notwithstanding pressures in the industry, Read told City A.M.Read's principal strategy has been slimming down WPP's unwieldy corporate structure. In addition to the Kantar sale, the firm has offloaded a string of non-core businesses. It has also merged several of its internal agencies to create VMLY&R and Wunderman Thompson. The move has had a positive impact on WPP's debt pile, which was slashed from £4 billion to £1.5 billion over the year. For more on this story, visit the news article link.